In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of Claude and Notion together to build a perfectly organized knowledge hub for your team. Start by opening a fresh, blank page in your Notion workspace and title it Team Wiki. To give yourself the best canvas possible, click the three dots in the top right corner and toggle on the full width layout. This ensures you have plenty of room to grow. Now, we head over to Claude for the magic part. You want to give the AI a very specific role to get the best results. Tell Claude to act as a knowledge management specialist and ask it to design a clean, nested three-tier page structure specifically for your department, such as a marketing team. Ask Claude to provide a logical layout for your sidebar and homepage, grouping everything into clear, actionable categories like processes and SOPs, project hubs, and a company directory. To make the interface intuitive for your coworkers, specifically ask Claude to suggest functional emojis to use as visual anchors for every section. Once Claude generates this architecture, you can simply copy the structure into your Notion page. This method eliminates the blank page syndrome and gives you a professional, scalable system in seconds. By using AI to architect your workspace, you ensure that every document stays findable and every teammate stays aligned with a logical flow. I hope this helps you build a more productive environment for your organization. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.